faces today. I'm so happy you're here. Today we are recognizing our students in our classes with the highest attendance percentages. So with that, I'll hand over to Ms. Simon.
Good morning, guys. We are going to start out recognizing perfect attendance by grade level. So you guys remember when your name's called, just stand up. And then we'll have our lovely assistants help pick prizes. All right, perfect attendance for kindergarten. We have R.P. Yalen, Jomari Hamill, Jalen Johnson, Alania Lawrence, Christiana McBee, Eamon Meckick, Liam Perez, Sylvester Peterson, Vincenzo Pina, Prince Rodriguez, Luis Velez, and Paul De La. Nice job, guys. Okay, our first kindergarten winner. Alania Lawrence. And our second winner is Paul De La. All right, we ready for first grade winners? We have a short first grade list. Verdaz Baroxy, Juliana Berg, Colton Gibson, Justin Tu, Christian Panasulia, and Eric Speck. That's it for our first graders. Firdaus Barakazi. And our next winner, Colton Gibson. Good job, guys. All right, second grade winners. We've got Amelia Adicia, Keon Atkins, Giovanna Garcia, Samantha Haas, Abdi Hakeem Haji, Luke Hood, Ayub Jur, Jalen Lopez Adger, Alexander Nadarovic, Azriel Nunez, Karen Alexic, Sule Rodriguez, Hunter Slaughter, Jamari Stewart, Kaylee Tennant, and Cece Wynn. Nice job, guys. Okay, Karen Alexic is our first winner. And Hunter Slaughter is our second winner. Third graders, you ready? Okay, for third grade, we've got Kalia Carr, Joshkin Sereno Diaz, Owen De Palma, Josephina Tu, Gabriela Jimenez, Margot Kelsey Morris, Andre Ladia, Canderson Lee, Giuseppe Lewis, Zane Limbu, Paul McBee III, Seitiu Mu, Zainab Mukhtar, Asarme Stetson. Nice job, guys. So the older kids at our last attendance assembly said that they didn't just want to hear who won first place, they wanted to know who won first place, second place, and third place. So we're going to announce third place and second place, and then our first place winner will come up and spin the wheel. Sound good? So in third place last month, we had Miss M. Brown's class with 92% attendance rate. And then we had a tie for second place with Miss Bennett and Miss Griffin's class with 93%. Are you guys ready for the winner? You know the deal, I need a drum roll. And the winner for first place is, oh my gosh, you guys aren't going to believe this. We got Miss Waiter's class has teacher pick, so that means your teacher gets to pick the prize that she wants off the wheel. And you're gonna let me know now, or you want to think about it? Okay. So Miss Waiter's class will get to you sometime next week when she lets me know what you guys are gonna have. Awesome job in attendance this last month, everybody. And we're gonna start out with recognizing our fourth grade winners for perfect attendance. So when you guys get your name called, just stand up so we can clap for you. And then we'll choose our winners. So for fourth grade, we've got Fardoas Abdul Rahim, Cedriani Anderson, Dalton Carter, Aiden Kosovic, Raleigh Gilmore Jr., Antonio Howard, Amila Kadik, Nur Kahir Ahmad, Kennedy Lee, Julian Moda, Ramon Sanders, and Sophia Sum. Nice job, guys. All right, first fourth grade winner. Raleigh Gilmore. And our second winner. Amila Kadik. All right, fifth grade perfect attendance. We've got Halima Ali Ahmad, Abdulazim Al-Jaham, Valerie Antonovich, Gail Apri, Isabella Singh, F. December, Carter Dumarest, Noah Gibson, Ramaya Gilmore, Yasin Haji, Leah Jackson Carney, Giovanna Jimenez, Nathan Kalercha, Emily Rose Kelsey, Yara Lariano, Esther Ma, Leah Mohammed, Mayday Mukhtar, Asif Nadarovic, Miley Alexic, Serenity Patterson, Valentina Pena, Artie Salih, Soraya Sparrow, Sernay Ta, Surian Tillery. Nice job, guys. Okay, first winner is Valentina Pena. And second winner, Layat Mohammed. Okay, and our sixth grade winners for perfect attendance. Amari Armour, Javion Barber, BR, Isaiah Bowens, Adele Kosovic, Soraya Charbel, Jack Elseth, Mia Heron, Brian Heron Jr., Arnella Hazanovich, F2, Diego Laguia, Kaylin Lee, Khadijah Manandra, Jeffrey Moo, Saldina Mujic, Ahama Nasir, Isabella Pena, Evelyn Santa Cruz, Mahira Shaheen, Windo So, Joseph Torresani, Angel Luis Torres Soto, Mark Vaughn, Gio Nawa, and Sawa Moon. Nice job, guys. First winner is Gio Nawa. And second winner is Soraya Charbel. Okay, are you guys ready to know class winners? I will tell you, spoiler alert, it is not my class this month. Okay, last assembly they asked if we would say third place, second place, and first place. So we'll announce third place and second place, and then first place will come up and spin our wheel. So for third place, we had a tie. Miss Sales class and Mr. Rogowski and Mr. Brinsky's class had 90%. Second place was Mr. Dion's class with 92%. You guys ready for first place? Not my class, but... Oh, drum roll, sorry. Thanks. It is Miss Rivera's class again. With 93% this month. Miss Rivera's class gets another pizza party. Okay, Miss Rivera's class will figure out a time next week for your pizza party. And all of you guys did an awesome job, and I will see